Hello and welcome. I know we haven't made a video in a while, so I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna show you how to make a Minecraft server. See, I have a Hunger Games and Bukkit. My Bukkit is down because it crashed, but first you just want to start out by making a new folder and name it Bukkit Server, but I'm going to name my Bukkit Server 2. You might want to put a custom label on it, so I'm just going to pick green. That's what my other one is. And then go to your internet browser, Bukkit.org, and it will load. Just download the latest craft bucket. Should be R2. And that might take a while, so while that's going, you're going to want to make a new tab. This one you're going to go to Bukkit Server making. I don't need to read this or review myself or anything. I just need a code from here. So you go to Mac OS X, and it says open up text edit. It says plain text under format, and paste the following. So basically you just need to copy this. Open up text edit. Make plain text under format and Command V, and you save that onto your desktop as start.command. Save. And you're just going to want to exit out of that. And then go back to Bukkit. And I'm just going to get a few plugins. So once you have all those, you drag them onto your desktop. And clear that. And you don't need to quit Safari, just quit your downloads. Okay. Bukkit Server, drag in this, and you need to name it just plain craftbucket.jar. And find start.command. It's gonna be, where is start.command? There it is. Just drag it in there. Double tap it. And it won't let you. So you need to open up, I forgot, terminal. Yeah, whatever. So since I'm already running a server, I'm just gonna make a new tab. So new window, and I like homebrew. It looks cool. Again, want to type out chmod a plus X space. Now that space is very important right there. Drag in start.command, hit enter. And only that will happen. And then you double tap it, and then it will load, and then it will load up. So it needs to create your worlds. So you just wait until that's done. And it's just creating the spawn for all of them. So, oh, sorry for that. So what you just want to do while you're waiting is, I don't know, do something. I have a bunch of balls with me. Okay, but it will say done 35.284s for help, type help or question mark, but you don't need to worry about that. Not permissions.yml. The two things you're really going to want to edit is server.properties and plugins. Now I edit server.properties first. And just, you want to, oops, you're going to want to open with, not edit rocket, text edit. And always open with, and then it's gonna, because Microsoft Word opens up a huge document, so But then server port, you're gonna want to change. You're not gonna want to change that, but I do because I have many servers. So I'm gonna change it to :25578. I don't know, or 99. I like 99. So then you edit this. I'm not gonna edit anything else, except, or you can have a custom texture pack. I'm not sure what you do there quite yet. But and you're also gonna want to edit MOTD. I'm gonna name it Xtrosent Server, Xtrosent Tutorial Server, and save that. And you're gonna want to exit text edit. Now, if you go into plugins, this is where Essentials and Essentials, those Group Manager come in. So dragging all of them, Essentials Protect isn't my favorite one. So I usually don't use that, and just Essentials Group Manager from that one. Now, this isn't going to be like a huge tutorial on these two plugins. It's going to be a small one, so you're just going to want to reload that. And then it says Group Manager Info Bucket Permissions Updating. There will be a bunch of new folders. In Group Manager, you're going to want to edit global groups. So they got Group Manager. I mainly edit the bucket, G Bucket, and G Essentials. Like, you can make new ranks, like, let's see, what do I have in my other one? I have my other Bukkit server. I have tons of ranks. Plugins, I got a bunch of plugins too. So, Group Manager. Global group, so see, I got a bunch of them here. See, I got like G Essentials Trusted, G Essentials Builder, Simplemod, Moderator, Head Mod, Admin, Head Admin, all that stuff. So once you're done editing that, I'm not gonna edit it at all. Like, it's basically just like, say you want, I don't know, these guys to have balance, so you copy from this line, then paste it here, then you save it. But then once you're done editing that, you're going to want to go to groups and edit the groups too. So there's default owner. What do I have? Head mod. Oops, this is the wrong one. Let me just exit out of that. But let me just show you how to edit. I'm just going to make a new rank in here. I'm going to make a co-owner. So highlight owner. And then down, and Command V to paste it, and then give it a name. And then what I like to do is make it like and3, which is teal, and then have a prefix. So it's not, so the name, only the name isn't highlighted. So then I like to do that for all of them, so I'll just add admin to this. And I'll do it for all of them. But I'm not going to go through that. Admin. But yeah, that's basically it for that. And I don't know how much time, but hopefully I can finish this up pretty fast. Then users, you're just going to want to highlight one of the users, copy it, go down. I recommend starting with you. So drag in 50277. Then make yourself owner or admin, depending if you want an owner. And then you save that. Exit out. And Essentials, you don't really need to edit. I'll go through it a little bit though. The only thing I like to edit is a code color between 0 through 9 or A through F, set to none if disabled. I like to set it to F or none, usually none. none. And then that modifies displays, change display name, whatever. But all of that, I'm not gonna go through it because it's fairly simple. And you got warps, all that stuff. But yeah, you're gonna want to reload it one last time. Then you have set up your server. But yeah, that's cool. I have a server now, but it's not cool because my friends can't go on it. Well, that's where port map comes in handy. Now, port map makes it so I have a bunch of different ports here. Now, port map just makes it so you can run them. So you're gonna want to download port map. I'm not gonna download it because I'm running out of time. You're gonna want to add one, name it Minecraft. It doesn't have to be in caps. I have a bunch of Minecraft, so I'm just gonna Minecraft. The port is whatever port you put in your first thing. So when you reloaded it many times, it reloaded all the configs. So you can stop it. You can stop your server just by typing stop in the console. It will save everything for you. But then it will say log out, process completed. Cancel. I'm gonna cancel that one. Minimize that. Just exit out of that. Start the command one last time. We'll set up your server and it'll say IP Minecraft server running on *:25599. So that's what you're gonna enter here. I already have it. Then just click add mapping, and that should be green, and you need to be connected to the internet. So then you give this IP to your friends with the port. Then you just go in game and your IP will either be either localhost or what I usually use is :2 and then your port, so :25599. Just scroll down to the bottom because I have a bunch of servers. That's my Hunger Games server. See, Xtrosent server, and 20 people are allowed on it. I will change that number a bit, but it says welcome Dragon, and then your username Dragonfire277, and it's red since I did mine owner, and just make that bigger. So yeah, and you also get a nice little kit down there. So you get GM, EM, then you can, yeah. So that's really helpful. And then in-games command menu add, and then your username, and then to a different rank, and it says you have been moved to owner, stuff like that. And add V, owner prefix, and for owner NF high. Don't know why that didn't work, but yeah. Man, reload. Don't have that, but you can reload your server. I don't know why that's working. You don't want to op yourself. I'm not sure if it's gonna let me. Yep, I can. And then you'll be op. But yeah, you have a nickname, Nick, and be Dragon co-owner. See, so yeah, I know that's working, but you know, play with it a little bit. But that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed. Have fun on your servers. Put your server IP in the description, and me, Josh, or Nolan are almost guaranteed to, or in the comments, and are almost guaranteed to go on it, because we're on YouTube on a daily basis. We just haven't got to recording lately because it's summer vacation. But hopefully we'll be making more videos soon. So Bye.